Oga Brightness, good evening.
My country people, I greet everybody.
Make we enter this your Brightness, you get the way you take the column. I don't want to go call up 250 watts or 5 years old bulb. But let's talk about this your energy bulb. Why Edolite? Why Nigerians must get them? Looking at the kind in fact, for this heat now, you see, I say people now, when they do vigilante now, people they come out for house now. But tell us more about your light and your bulb and how we will take it. And then after that, I want to make you tell us about this your waiting. You say I might press the iron because you don't see. I'm say investigation don't see. I'm say many Nigerians know they iron their clothes because of no light. Not be said they not get better clothes, but if you not press them, and when no light, you not go fit press them. Good evening.
Yes, my Donji, I salute you, my country people. I agree to that once more. You see, the Brightness energy LED energy saving bulb. Now, bulb where we design, where we say it come as 5 watts and 12 watts. Now, the 5-watt bulb, what we do for that bulb is we reduce the watt of the bulb, can increase the brightness. So if you get that bulb, then the 5-watt bulb, like say you buy like 10 of it, just 50 watts. So that 5-watt bulb now, it go help you go reduce the way your NEPA bill, especially your prepaid meter card or analog meter go take the read. So I want to let Nigerians know say that Brightness 5-watt super saving LED energy saving bulb shine light past the normal 18-watt energy bulb with the market. While the Brightness 12-watt energy bulb is shine light past the normal 40-watt bulb energy bulb with the market or 100-watt incandescent bulb with the market. So I want to let Nigerians know say we just have 5-watt. Let's say you get like 10 pieces, that's just 50 watts. So if you don't use your prepaid meter, your card don't go the quick finish, your BDC card don't go quick they exhausted if you dey use that 5-watt bulb. Then you will see they use your solar panel inverter battery, you go reduce the rate where your battery take the drain. Then you will be say you get for your light, maybe for your compound, your fence or your hotel, your surrounding light. If you use the 5-watt Brightness energy super saving LED energy saving bulb, it go reduce the rate where your diesel or fuel consumption go take the burn, where your diesel take the finish or where your fuel take the finish for your generator. It go reduce the consumption rate. So what we do be say we reduce the watt, which is the energy consumption rate, increase the brightness. Therefore, you will be say you want to use you dey into laundry services, you be dry cleaner or you be tailor fashion designers, you need the Brightness alternator booster for pressing iron. The aim of that booster na to reduce that surge where your gen, where you dey give your gen each time when you put your pressing iron, so that gree dragging sound where your gen dey make when you dey plug pressing iron, e go reduce the sound. E no mean say go come make your gen turn noiseless or soundproof. No, the gen go still dey work the way you perfectly design am. Just that half of the surge wey dey go the gen go come the booster, half go dey go the gen, thereby prolonging the life of the generator. So you will be tailor, fashion designer, or you get hotel, you get laundry service department for your hotel or for your own individual home or your house, you need that Brightness alternator booster for pressing iron.
Okay, Dr. Brightness, before we go enter your contact, your address, your headquarters, whether you don't pack or you dey plan to pack or your telephone number, or somebody don't send us message and say, you know they look for distributor, whether the distributor your company not want because as I talk to you now, some people they village they like to get them. Some people they data, some people they supply, some people they upper, some people they ogida, some people they ekboma. People they hear us from Ondo, from different place. I say whether you don't need distributor, we go help you distributor.
No, we need distributors. You understand? And even as we talk to you now, Donji, we get one distributor for number 13 Lagos Street, Aluya Store, near Ring Road. Number 13 Lagos Street, Aluya Store, near Ring Road. If you go there, you go see some of this bulb, like for example the bulb, if food there, you can go there and buy. And you when they hear my voice, you there another state, you want come be distributor for the product, or you dey stay at Boma or Auchi, come meet us. When you come, we go tell you the modalities where they involved. Then anytime we dey on air, we go dey announce your shop too, so that people go know say they go feel reach you as a distributor.
Okay, let us know your address again and your phone number.
Yes, my country people, I wan let una know say Brightest Electronics Company dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road. Number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening, because we dey use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday to dey manufacture wetin we dey sell and to dey install for those who already pay for the product based on our staff strength. Then if you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080-894-62794. Make I repeat am, 080-894-62794. Our MTN number na 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat am, 080-3581-5348. You fit still search www.brightestelectronics.com or type the word videos of brightness for YouTube, or you type the word videos of brightness for YouTube. You go see all the things wey we dey do over the years.
Okay.